So Pitta is east to south-southwest over here. And what happens when you have east and ESC? Now, so something between east and ESC goes bad. So let me again create a table for you people. You make the same table in your notebooks. Okay, so I'll write the dosha, the Vastu dosha is over here, and I'll write the problems, the health problems, the bimaris, the diseases. So we're talking about ESC, East, okay, and if you have especially a cut or a large entrance towards east, not in those areas of like E4, E1, E2 में नहीं आता है, E3, E4 में, E4, E5 में नहीं आता, E1, E2 entrances, which are not auspicious. E1 and E2 entrances are not very auspicious. I've taught you already. You will have problems with your digestion enzymes. Your digestion will go for a toss. Every family member will lack in the enzymes that are required, right? And you will have lot of stomach issues. So lot of stomach issues. You have problems with the enzymes in the body, the good quality of enzymes, right? And if you have water source in the east, you have, pani ki tanki, which is, water storage, or a swimming pool in the east, you will have lots and lots of obesity, overweight. अगर आपका ईस्ट साउथ ईस्ट या ईस्ट कटा हुआ है, it is cut, it is enlarged, it is extended, you have water storage, water resources, you will be overweight, you will have libido loss, no interest in sexual, which is libido loss, and you will get frequent fevers. बुखार आता जाता रहेगा, you will always get fevers. In the same direction, in the east or in the east southeast, if you have dustbin placed all the time, dustbin is there, you will have liver issues. You can also have jaundice, you can have your bilirubin to be high. So east southeast and east has to be very careful. Do not paste, put your any dustbin there, you'll have liver issues there. So from here, east southeast से थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं, will reach the southeast area. So from southeast towards south, this area, you have to be careful in this area as well. So what should not be there in this area? Means south southeast बीच में cover होगा. We'll have south southeast, 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 and south. Okay, southeast, south southeast, and south. If you have in the southeast, you have toilet, which I said is very bad for females, right? So if you have the toilet here, the immunity will go down and females will suffer with all sorts of diseases. Females will suffer. The immunity will go down of the entire family. Koi na koi, and especially the daughters, wife, mother, grandmother, they will feel a lot of problem. Okay. Or if it is cut, or it is not balanced. Southeast. Even the southeast, if you have a storage, heavy storage again in the southeast, you will have water retention, you will have excessive fluid in the stomach. पेट में पानी भर जाता है ना, फेफड़ों में पानी भर जाता है. You'll have water storage in your chest, in your lungs. You'll have lung infection, and you'll have inflammation in your body if your southeast is bad. And if your south is bad, so if you have water source in the south, lot of water in the south, or south is cut, or it is slopey, what will happen? You'll have lot of swelling on the body. Swelling in the arms, swelling in the legs, swelling in the feet, water retention, and lot of pain in the body all the time. Pain, pain, pain. People will complain. You'll go to doctor, doctor will have nothing to diagnose. But you'll have swelling everywhere. You'll have pain in the body. From south to southwest. From south to southwest, you should not keep lot of food items. Don't store your food items. Okay, but definitely the rotation of the food items should be movable. Keep moving, keep moving. You know, saman aaye, use ho, chala jaye. Like, don't keep something like achar or pickles that you keep for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You know, you store certain dry fruits for 2 years, 3 years. Don't do that. You can keep a store, but it should be a moving store. Then you'll have acidic problems. South to southwest is a kark of acidity. Lot of acidity if your south and southwest is bad. Water cut in the south or blue color in the south. Lot of acidity, gas, burps, farts, uncomfortable, environment, and you will not be able to eat properly. Bhook hi nahi lagegi. You will not eat properly. The children will not eat properly. Lot of indigestion. The biggest problem with the southwest is indigestion. You will not be able to digest anything. Indigestion. Either you'll get loose motions if it is cut or enlarged, or there's water resource here. And right in the southwest, right extreme southwest, if you have any vastu dosha, means water, cut, enlarged, you'll have ulcers. There can be problems of ulcers in the body, in the stomach. There can be high acidity, high acid. There can be high swelling in the stomach and lot of ulcers. You can have lot of ulcers in your body. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the various directions giving various health problems.